Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand named CeraVe. This is their eye repair cream. I paid $15 for this eye cream and we get 14 ml product. This eye cream is fragrance free, essential oil free, drying type of alcohol free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free, but this is not silicone free. This has dimethicone. Dimethicone lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. This is not fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, CeraVe is not cruelty free. So this eye cream has niacinamide. Niacinamide is anti-aging, it's brightening. It also helps if your moisture barrier is disturbed. This also has cholesterol and ceramides. These are skin barrier strengthening ingredients. This also has vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant. This has glycerin. Glycerin is a great humectant. This also has aloe vera leaf juice. It's soothing and calming. This eye cream also has fatty alcohols. Fatty alcohols are great for those people who have really dry skin. This also has almond oil. Almond oil is moisturizing, it's skin softening. And this has dimethicone. Dimethicone lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. So CeraVe said this eye cream help with dark circles and wrinkles. Niacinamide is the second ingredient in this eye cream. I thought this eye cream will be drying, especially in winter, but in my experience, this eye cream is not drying at all. I find niacinamide drying in winters, and I thought this will be drying, but it's not drying at all. It was really cold here when I was using it without any issue. If you find niacinamide drying in winters, I don't think you will have any issue with this eye cream because the overall formula, it's very moisturizing, very nourishing. Now, the texture of this eye cream is really interesting. It kind of looked like whipped cream. I will put the video here. But when you spread it around your eyes, it spread very easily. It melts and spread really easily. In my experience, this don't help with dark circles at all. Niacinamide is the second ingredient here. I thought this will help with my dark circles, but in my experience, this don't help with dark circles at all. This eye cream, it's very buttery, very nourishing, very moisturizing. In my experience, this eye cream gives you this illusion that you have less wrinkles. I think this eye cream is a great option for mature skin, young skin. It's moisturizing, but it's not too much. So I think everybody can enjoy this texture. Now, if you have really mature skin, before this eye cream, I was using this one from Fungal. This is their Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream. This one is very moisturizing, very nourishing. I loved this one, especially if you have mature skin. I think you will really enjoy this. This eye cream, it's not only very moisturizing, but this also has great humectants. This plump up the area around your eyes, and your fine lines and wrinkles and your dark circles, they appear less visible. I really enjoyed using this eye cream. I will highly recommend you to give this one a try. I will leave the link in the description if you want to purchase this. Now, if you get milia from eye creams, then I will recommend you to not try any of these eye creams because these are more on the moisturizing side. I will recommend you this eye cream from Beauty of Jason. This has retinol. I think it has 0.02% retinol. Very low percentage. I think if you have milia, you will enjoy this eye cream. I won't recommend you these. But yeah, my experience with this eye cream, it was good. I like this eye cream. I will finish it. I'm almost done with it. But I'm not going to repurchase this again. It just felt like every other eye cream. I don't find anything special in this. But yeah, do I recommend this eye cream to you guys? Yes. I think you will like using it, you will finish it, and then you will never purchase this again. But if you like this eye cream, please continue to use it. I don't want to ruin your experience. I like this eye cream, I just don't love it. I like this eye cream from Pyongyang better, but again, this wasn't disappointing. I enjoyed using it as well. That's why I'm almost done with it. So I will recommend you to give this one a try. I think you will enjoy this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.